Zalika is the new leader of the hyena clan. Feeding the family is her responsibility. These will be a delicacy to be savored. Only 2 ostriches stand in her way. The clan are cautious. Do they know something Zalika doesn't? Ostriches give as good as they get. Her faith in her mate was certainly well placed, and only a few ruffled feathers